Hey guys, good day, and it's sunny today guys, no more rain. So as you can see, this is my looks. Nakapangbahay lang guys, but naka-wear ng beanies. Ayan, baliktad na tuloy. No, not really. But yeah, this is my clothes today. Just pang ibaba guys na long pants, and then pangbahay lang talaga guys. Tapos naka chinelas lang, and this is the look. So we're doing the gardening today, and I hook in today. I have to do everything today, so I'll show you what did I do. And I'm using some of the old garden pots, so I reuse them guys para hindi sayang. And I got a compost, not mushroom compost, and chicken manure that you call it. So I'll choose this one, but my mister he bought this from Mitre 10. This is what I'm talking about on my last vlog, so I'll show you now. Alright, so this is it guys, the mushroom compost and the chicken manure. So I'll mix it together guys in this bucket. So ayan, that's the looks, and this is the looks here. So this is, I think, mga $6.49 to guys sa Mitre 10. And here is mushroom also compost, so you can read. So I'm just using this one guys, and yeah, this is the looks. Kita nyo ba? Ayan. And this one is like this. I don't mind to get dirt guys, because I love gardening, and I'm using this blue gloves guys. So wala akong gloves na yung clothes guys, yung what do you call it, basta ito na yung ginamit ko guys. And this is my garden guys. As you can see, they're not looking good yet. It looks very dry, but I put them on the ground already, all my leftover veggies like pineapple, lemongrass, and that one. And here guys is, I think this is tomatoes guys, which is I threw out some seeds before, but I think this is it. So they're growing. I never thought they're gonna grow, but I'll just observe in a couple of days. It'll grow bigger, then I can tell if they are tomato or tomatis, or else they're weeds, right? So this one here guys is the old garden pots, which is I'm gonna use again, reuse. So yeah, and here di ko pa na ano guys yung seeds, but I'm gonna use that. But I'll just gonna put this first, and this is the garden pots that we bought from Sili Soli, and this is the looks. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, basta mga 16 siguro to, basta ayan. And ito yung gamit ko guys na water spray, but ano lang to, recycle guys, tubig ang nasa loob niyan. And I got coffee here guys, ayan, kape habang magga-garden. And yeah, so I'm using this garden tools guys, like this one, and I'm using the recyclable fork to like this, so I can do like estimate my seeds here. And yeah, I'll do it later guys. And some scissors and all ito guys, garden tools, and this one also. Ayan. So let's start. So here guys, I'm eating binignit again guys. It's lunchtime, so this is my lunch. Binignit, we're eating the leftover. And I got here the sandwich leftover as well. It's a cheese sandwich. And I got coffee here and my